Привет, друзья! Welcome back to the Simple Russian Stories. It's our third lesson, and today we will review all the letters from the previous lessons and learn new ones. Of course, we will practice new syllables and start reading longer and more interesting words. So, if you are ready, let's get started. K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, В, Е, У, Х, А. Now I say the letter and you find it. S, Н, Е, А, У, В, Р, М, К. Excellent. Good job. So now let's meet our today's letters. B, B, G, G, D, D, Z, Z, I, F, F, E, E. One more time. B, B. This sound so close to sound V, but when we pronounce V, our lips, they are relaxed. And when I say B, B, look at my mouth. B, B, V, V. Can you see the difference? Next letter, G, G, D, D, Z, Z, like in English word zebra. Next one, E, it's easy. Next one, F, F, like at the beginning of word phone, F, F. And the last one, E, like in the word cat, E sound. Now I show you the letter, you say the sound. F, B, E, G, I, D, and the last one, Z, B, I, B, B, E, B, G, I, G, G, E, G, D, I, D, D, E, D, Z, I, Z, Z, E, Z, F, I, Фи, F, E, F. Now I show you this syllable, you read it. Фи, Г, Зи, Б, Б, З, Д, Ф, Г, О, Д, год, Д, О, М, дом, Х, О, эхо, банан, банан, брат, брат, флаг, флаг, знак, знак, звук, звук, коза, коза, город, город, собака, собака, сестра, сестра, золото, золото, физика, физика, эскимо, эскимо, фламинго, фламинго. That's all for today. So, guys, see you on lesson 4. Пока-пока. Увидимся.